So Kaizer Chiefs announced the signing of their new head coach, Francisco de Cruz. Fernando de Cruz. They announced the signing of their new coach, Fernando de Cruz. This is a guy that worked, Coach Nabi when Coach Nabi afika ku Chiefs. Usebenze no Coach Nabi for a few months, I think 2 months if I'm not mistaken. Makaqeda lapho wahamba. Azange wahlala wahamba wayoba assistant coach kwenye indawo. Nalapho akahlalanga wahamba wayoba assistant coach kwenye indawo. So my thing is the Kaizer Chiefs really has a thing for an assistant coach, eh? Like they must really believe Guma assistant coach. And the reason I say like baning abantu bafika ku Kaizer Chiefs ba ma assistant coach then bapiwi chance yokuthi baphathi team. Nyakumbula there was a time abo Iskuse bekwa ma interim coach we Kaizer Chiefs. Uzibuzisa ukuthi why kunabantu that are good at just being assistants. Don't you ask yourself why Orlando Pirates will never trust Mandla Ncikazi as being the head coach? He's proven himself ukuthi uNtswembu kakhulu as an assistant coach. So why give umuntu oNtswembu as an assistant a chance yokuthi aphathe whereas uyambona ukuthi ntwana mara wena uNtswembu usebenza under umuntu. This guy failed under the leadership of Nabi. What makes you think makangena yena as a leader he'll be successful? What makes you think ukuthi yena uzoshintsha? Lamachita lawa i2 Cedric Kaze no Ben Yusuf basebenzile no Nabi. They were part of a technical team yaka Nabi. When Nabi left they took over the team bona bayenzeni. What did they do different? All they did ukuthatha team bayibeke ku number 3 and I still maintain Kaizer Chiefs fixture aba favor last season, especially at the start of the season. So I don't understand ukuthi lo Mjita lona what is he going to do different to Nabi? What is he going to do different to Lamachita lawa i2 Cedric Kaze no Ben Yusuf? Ayikho into azoyenza different. The problem here is the Kaizer Chiefs don't want to give a coach the full right to go to coach ngenu coach Tina we're not going to intervene as management. Tina as management coach sizokusupport amawufuni player will try to go negotiate with clubs on your behalf. Sign a coach bafethu and give a coach freedom to coach. Lento yokuthi ama team athanda ukucontrol ama coach batshela ama coach ukuthi enzeni. Why labantu laba abacontrolayo bona bangababo coach? Why labantu laba bona bathanda ukucontrola bangaveli bona baphakamisa izandla bathi no Tina we will coach? Because now nibulala ibhola lethu. This thing of controlling coaches nibulala ibhola lethu. As much as I don't agree no Hugo Bruce, but le arrogance yakhe yokuthi abukhanda lumtshelo wakhe ayenzo kwakhe. I mean, yeah, into yakho angithi siqhashile as a coach. So now kwamele ukuthi sikuthembe ukuthi amfana ngena ucoach you will do the right things for the team. So I don't know what Kaizer Chiefs is trying to achieve ngalo Mjita lo, and I can see a lot of people are comparing this guy to Owadu bathi yeah but Owadu naye makafika ku Pirates ufika ku Pirates angakaza winner next makafika ku Orlando Pirates bafethu ufike ku Pirates enjani. Compare the structure at Chiefs and Orlando Pirates right now. Which team has a better structure right now? Which team is going out there to go sign players so that they make sure that they compete in Mamelodi Sundowns right now? It's Orlando Pirates. So Lamchita lona mangafika ku Chiefs, the question is, are they going to go look for good players for him? Bazohamba bayomsayinela ama player, or does it have to continue ngala ma player lawo bewadlaliswa bo Ben Yusuf nabo banibani? Kaizer Chiefs needs to take their fans serious. Labantu laba kwa sporting director nani ku Chiefs mele bathatha ama supporter wabo serious because lento yenzakalayo manje asi understand. Bayahamba baya announce umuntu esingamazi. Why not for once go invest in a coach enazi ukuthi this one is result driven. Pitso Mosimane is a result driven coach. Why not give Pitso Mosimane a shot? Pitso Mosimane nimbonile ufike ku Mamelodi Sundowns ingakazi win iCAF, he won them the CAF. Waba winela ama league back to back. He groomed and developed so many players. Abathemba zwane basuka under Pitso Mosimane. Abo Thapelo Morena laba silola ukuthi namhlanje babe kubafana basuka under Pitso Mosimane. Imagine Umfundo Vilakazi mfana seka coach wa Pitso Mosimane. Imagine Umfundo Vilakazi under the leadership of Pitso Mosimane. Imagine Umdusha Balala coach wa Pitso Mosimane. Ngisho no Khanyisa Mayo ningamangala uKhanyisa Mayo seka shama hat-trick bafethu. Ningamangala uKhanyisa Mayo akasafaka amacici makajima seka serious uyadlala uyakora wenza izinto zenzeke. But the problem is that the club wants to go sign player as coaches that bona they will come back bese kube yibo futhi le club ebatshela ukuthi dlalisa lo because the club has certain relationships with the players. So if this guy is to survive ku Kaizer Chiefs, at least ke mvumeleni ukuthi eze ne technical team yakhe. Mvumeleni eze ne technical team yakhe. Oh, iChiefs ayithi dude, when are you going to be the main coach? Uzohamba yokhuluma ngama interview nani, but because Chiefs has a culture sinendlela yethu yokwenza izinto zokudlala, thathana ba Dr. Khumalo nibafakela because they understand the team. Dr. Khumalo can work with this guy. Maybe go employ someone like Sean Bartlett, let him be your striker coach. kube uye ufundisa abokhanyisa maye ukuthi this is how you finish. He's won leagues ne-Chiefs. Uyazi ukuthi kunjani ukushisa. I-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu yagcina nini ukuba i-Chiefs ewina eshaya kwasani. Le ukuthi mfana noma uhambe estradini mawubona iskipper se-Chiefs uvala amehlo. Igcine nini ukuba ileyo Chiefs ngo-Stuart Baxter. How many years ago is that? Because Ernest Middendorp naga winanga next. So how many years back is that? How many years back is that? And then the problem is ama-supporter gijimela ungena kuma-social media basithuke. Yani nanikhuluma kabi ne-Chiefs anifuni ukuza amaqiniso. But you guys are quick kukhuluma amaqiniso ngamanye ama-team. Nakho khona manje abantu bathi we are not supporting bafana because there's only one Chiefs player. The very same Chiefs supporters ababonayo ukuthi konakele eteamini bathulile bavumela abantwana bakaMtawungu ukuthi bayenze imess lapha eteamini. Imess lento le bayenzayo. Why not listen to the supporters for once? Hugo Bruce na iskhala ngakho lokho ukuthi kanti thina why si voiceless as the supporters. Yes, you are the coach. We are not saying when enza so, but yithi sibheka amanye ama game more than you. Clearly when you don't watch Thembi Nkosi watch. Thina siyahlala simbhekelele siyambona izinto azenza, that's why sithi coach nali player. But bafethu ama-supporter ngoba walifuna iqiniso bazolwa. Ama-supporter ngoba walifuna iqiniso bazothukana, bazothembisa abantu ukubalimaza nokubadubula nani. Whereas we are fighting no one trying to fix South African football. We just want the best for our football. A good playing Kaizer Chiefs bafethu is healthy for EPSL. Let's see ukuthi lo coach lona uzowenzani. Obvious Kaizer Chiefs has a loyal support base. Bazomwelcome coach, bazomthanda, bazomuphi chance. If he gets the results, then we are happy for the team. If he doesn't get the results, we blame management ehambile yamqasha because they had the chance to go employ an actual coach. Upitso Mosimane has played CAF. Manqoba Mnqithi has played CAF. Rulani Mokoena has played CAF. Penny McCarthy has played CAF. Wahamba udlala iCAF namaZulu. Penny McCarthy came to Amazulu yaqeda number 2 eligini. Those are the kind of coaches that you should be looking for. Ibhola lamanje alisafani nebhola lakudala. Unfortunately, akusaseleza inkathi zabo Ted Dimitru, le inkathi zabo Paul Doleza, akusaseleza inkathi zabo Mohsin Etrugal. Akusaselezo inkathi lezo manje. Football has changed. What you need now is a coach that understands the structure of the team, that understands the culture of the team, and that will fully invest in the players. And then izinto zibe right. But bafethu ngicela ningene ku comment section as Kaizer Chiefs supporters. Let me know what you think ngalo coach. Let me know how far you think the coach will go. And by the way, uMatlo abayi renew contract yakhe ku Chiefs, which mina for me makes sense. Injury prone lo muntu. Injury prone lo muntu angeke so invest imali kumuntu injury prone. The team needs result. Another player that Kaizer Chiefs should consider releasing this season njengale transfer window uThabo Cele. Uthabo Cele usuka overseas mara since afika ku Chiefs akabonakala ukuthi umuntu odlale overseas. So there's a lot of players that Kaizer Chiefs should consider releasing and then go and hunt for actual players. Nilwe nabo Pirates, nilwe nabo Sundowns nabalokhu bazama ukuthatha ama player, sayinana ama player. If management yakwazi ukuhamba yo sign ama coach wase France na wase Italy nakuphi then management can go hunt players lapha beze bazodlalela team enkulu eSouth Africa iGlamour Boys. But let's give the coach a chance. Sibone ukuthi kuzowenzakalani. Thank you, Cerealist Breakfast is ready for you to eat, Habashu.